Hello and welcome to the Cool Mentor. This is Aryan and today I'm going to explain all the important breaking changes in Angular 9. So let's start. So now quickly show you all the points. That is, first one is default Ivy engine. Second one, improve the bundle size. Then improve type checking, faster testing, AOT compiler on by default, new option for provided in, Typescript 3.7 support, better debugging, improvement to differential loading, improved CSS class and style binding. So first one is default Ivy engine. Angular 9 make a changes in the code structure of the entire framework. Angular application will use the Ivy renderer as the default compiler. In Angular 8, Ivy renderer was already available to you, but in opt-in level, means for using it you had to go to the Typescript.json file and enable Ivy to true like the below code. Now with Angular 9, the Ivy renderer is the default Angular compiler, so the application built with Ivy are more efficient. Next point is improve the bundle size. In the Angular 9 feature, the bundle size are likely to decrease by 25 to 40% based on the application size. Third one is improved type checking. The Angular 9 currently has 3 modes of checking the expressions bindings with the template of the application and report any type errors it finds. The benefit is the bug can catch and fix early in the development mode, and the other flags that the Angular support now are the full template type check. By activating this flag, the compiler will check everything within your template, and it can check ng template, ng if, ng for, and so on. Second one is a strict template. By activating this flag, the compiler will apply the strict type system rule for type checking. Next point is faster testing. So one of the API for testing Angular application is called testbed. One more time, for testing Angular application is called testbed. Before this new version, it had a get function called testbed.get. But now it has replaced with testbed.inject method. So testbed.inject has resolved the type safety problem. With the implementation of testbed, the framework's code acceptance tests are about 40% faster. Next point is AOT compiler is on by default. So in Angular 9, build times has improved significantly by enabling AOT by default. Next point, new option for provided in. Now Angular 9 provides us some additional option for creating an injectable service. That is, it provides the platform option. So the provided in option is to platform, make the service available in a special singleton platform injector that is shared by all the application on the page. Next point is better debugging. Angular 9 uses some special technique and tools to debug the application. With this special technique, one can ask Angular to access these instances of the component and directives, and can trigger change detection with apply change option, and one can manually call methods and update state. Now the next point is improvement to differential loading. So first one, we need to know what is differential loading. Differential loading means to send newer and flaxier code to newer browser and the stable legacy code to legacy browser. This generally translates into two things, that is modern syntax and polyfills. So polyfills in Angular are few lines of code which make your application compatible for different browser. This way, newer browsers are not punished to load massive bundle. Now, how it works? Modern browsers have the ability to interpret a module type in the script HTML tag and to ignore a no module attribute it looks like in the below code. Now the last point is improved CSS class and style binding. So with the Angular 9 feature, we can manage a style through a clear, consistent order of precedence, which is not dependent on timing. You can see in the below code. Now let's quickly summarize all the points. First point is default Ivy engine. So the Ivy renderer is the default Angular compiler. Next one is improve the bundle size. Bundle size improved by 25 to 40%. Third one is improve type checking. So type checking is now provided with the two more options, that is full template type check and a strict template. Fourth point is faster testing. So now the testbed.get replaced with testbed.inject. Fifth point is AOT compiler is on by default. Sixth point, new option for providedIn, that is the platform. 7th point, Typescript 3.7 support. 8th point, better debugging. So the change detection can triggered with apply changes option. 9th point, improvement to differential loading. Differential loading means to send newer and flashier code to newer browser and the stable legacy code to legacy browser. And the last one is improved CSS class and style binding. So this way we have covered almost all the new features and breaking changes introduced in Angular 9. So please like, comment and do not forget to subscribe my channel, The Cool Mentor. Bye.